So I want to share with you guys a really cool piece that's always hidden on our custom motorcycles, and that is the Mizu connector. This is a small, lightweight, robust, and waterproof connector to allow you to attach and detach several different components that you build in your motorcycle. In this case, it's the bar and LED turn signal. Let's go to the workbench and I'll show you a bit more about how they work. Okay, so Mizu connections, that's what I was talking about. Now, in the past, I've wired motorcycles before and frankly just hardwired components. So in other words, like run a wire directly from the fuse to the component or directly from the fuse to the switch, and forgotten the fact that I was probably gonna go back at some point and have to service something, whether the switch goes bad, or the bulb goes bad, or even the entire carrier for a bulb goes bad. Sometimes you need to take things off, you need to remove it. Anyway, so you need plugs for that fact. What we used to do is use these automotive grade, really robust, nice pieces that have, waterproof gasket and the ability to run quite large capacity wires into them. And these are great. They're really, really nice pieces. But when you're building a custom motorcycle, oftentimes you want to hide the wiring because it's an ugly bit. And you can't put these inside of a handlebar or a down tube or anything like that, but you can with the Mizu connector. So you have the same capacities almost with a gasket inside of it, just the same. So this is the same waterproof connection where you have a 4-terminal like this and a 3-terminal. They range anywhere from $3 to $8. Depending on what year this is. I don't know, 2021, they were $3 to $8. Maybe it's 2023 and these are like $1,000. I don't know. Anyway, my point is Mizu connectors will make everything on your bike more serviceable. So you can install and unplug a component. Say you needed to change out the rear fender, or you wanted to change out you want to take the whole front of the bike apart. It's much easier to be able to just unplug it and take it off. You forget that when you're wiring things up because you can just hardwire things in. From component to switch, but that doesn't make any sense if you're thinking ahead of things. So think ahead, buy these kick-ass, inexpensive things that everyone loves and we really, really, really love. Mizu connectors.